Thanks for coming, guys. I appreciate it. I'm Dr. Dixon, Judge Foundation.
Nice to meet you.
How'd you guys do about it?
My friend Khalid.
Good. From Montague. All right. Thanks for coming, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming out.
Like 5:30, you have some time, right?
We're going to leave it at that. We're just trying to get everything.
Okay, alright. Hi, Dr. Dixon. How are you? Good to see you.
What's up, Donna?
You've grown up. Very much. All grown up
Beth is real
now.
strong.
This is earlier. Yes. This is my friend Michelle.
Hi, it's so nice to meet you. Thank
Who
you.
is this? Hey.
My
What's
daughter
up?
Riley. This is
Hi,
Dr.
Riley.
Dixon, and there's her friend Brianna.
What's up, Brianna?
Only got a few of them.
They're a
Thanks for
lot
coming.
more excited than they look. They're very excited. But they're teens,
The
so.
more young people on the boat, they'll see it.
So Jersey in the house, right?
Thanks, Donna.
Jamaica now.
Heather and I go back way back.
Oh yeah, he did an interview. I told him we high school.
Wingate High
Last
School.
week.
And she hasn't left me yet.
Yeah. Always support.
Thank you. When I said she barely make it, she barely make it.
What's up, brother? How's everything? All right.
Hello, Dr. Dixon.
How are you?
See you again this year.
South Carolina, man. All right. Well, dog it fresh.
Listen.
Well, Josh. You don't have the sneakers, right? Yeah, but just tell Karen.
The blood's strong. Michelle has no
You good? Yeah, man. Ah, safe.
I like the t-shirt.
General, we can get General again.
I like the t-shirt.
Heather, how we get? Heather, you know, Heather Robinson.
I like the t-shirt.
Yeah, we have some many for sale. Lots of t-shirts for sale in there. Buy the sale. Hey, Fred. Hey, Jim. How you doing? You guys don't let me down.
Welcome. If you have a physical ticket and you're standing online, you can remain there. If you need to pick up your ticket, if you bought it online, please approach the table ahead.
No, don't do that.
Finally. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for being here.
Hi. How are you? Good.
Yeah, the foundation. I'm Dr. Dixon.
I'm
I know you know, guys. Thanks for the support, and we'll make you proud, and you can see your dollars will go to a good cause.
Congratulations.
I guarantee.
Congratulations.
Does I know you? Big up yourself.
I want to ask you on camera, why do you keep supporting the Georgia Foundation?
Oh, please.
Oh my gosh.
You're good fan, you're good fan, you're good fan. General.
Oh, sorry.
Try to make sure your dollars go to where it's supposed to go. With the real deal.
Myself, I tried to invite people, but you know.
Hello. Coming out? Yes. Beautiful night, is it? Beautiful day. Yes. Well, good cause. Rasta Foundation, General Foundation, don't forget that.
I'm supposed to go to
The Rasta is around, he's black. Tell him again. This lady, the powerhouse from South Jersey. Big up us now.
Big up South Jersey.
What's your name? Victoria.
Why do you keep supporting the Jordan Foundation?
Because it's Jamaicans abroad supporting Jamaicans at home. So I have to do that.
Yes, she brought a bus with 50 people from Princeton, New Jersey. That's right. Always represented. You can always count on her. This is the reason why we can buy an ambulance. And with her support, we're going to send 10 ambulances to Jamaica, I'm sure.
Exactly. I remember I dropped off. Dropped off some stuff.
Roti.
Roti's in the building.
Roti, pick up ourselves.
Roti. Why is the Roti family so committed to the Jordan Foundation?
What do you mean? We're the backbone of Church Foundation. We've been there from the beginning and we're going to be there from the end.
Say why?
We're part.
Why?
Why we support, we believe in his mission and we believe in what he does.
That's right.
Yeah, we believe in Dr. Dixon. So.
Big up Transcript.
Yes.
Big up the Roti
Yes.
family. Sarah, big up yourself. Thanks for coming, guys. Thank you for making the journey. Thank you for making the journey. Hey, look who's
Young
here.
man, let me ask you a question. Why do you keep supporting the Jordan Foundation, sir?
It's great.
Sir, why do you keep supporting the Jordan Foundation?
I don't really have a choice.
What's the reason?
I don't have a choice.
Boss lady.
Miss, why do you keep supporting the Jordan Foundation?
And all the wonderful work he's doing.
I got a surprise for you on the board. I got a surprise. You would never believe. How are you?
Hi.
What's your name?
Judy.
Judy what?
Judy Lundy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for coming on the school. I'm Dr. Dixon with the Jordan Foundation. Have you seen the videos? Have you seen the videos about what we do?
No, but I'll probably look at them later.
Very
Yeah.
good. Support a good cause. What's your name?
Melissa,
Thank you for coming, Melissa.
thank you for having me.
What made you come to this wonderful summer cruise? What made you say happy?
Exactly what Judy said.
General. Field Marshal. A Marshal.
Marshall, right?
Field Marshal, a Marshal. Okay. Where in Jamaica you guys from?
I'm not Jamaican.
Where you from?
From Antigua.
Okay, I'm going there soon.
Alright.
Big up
Don't
Antigua.
listen to him. Don't listen to him.
I'm going there soon.
But he's Jamaican. Don't listen.
Antiguans sound just like Jamaicans, you know,
No, they
right?
do. Have months around.
Yes, they are fraud. He must be from Montego Bay. It's okay.
Top the line.
Black guys, man.
Yeah, so why did you guys come out? Why do you guys
Support our own people, man. Come on. Yeah, that's what we are. We support our own people.
What about you?
You know?
Same thing. I mean, we're
Where's Jamaica you from?
St. Andrew,
St. Andrew where?
Puppy inside.
Rock Hall?
Puppy.
Puppy inside.
Okay, alright.
How about you, sir?
See, I'm from Guyana.
Guyana. Big up Guyana. Lord.
Where? Burbees? Where?
No, Georgetown. You know, I grew up in a GT
Man
for
from
sure.
GT. Man from
for sure.
GT.
You know, I grew up in the country too, but I moved all over. So, you know, I did a little bit of everything.
But thanks for coming out and supporting
Yeah,
each other.
definitely, of course.
Yeah, you're extra special because you're not
I'm extra-
Jamaican and you're here. So it shows you're extra special. Yeah, respect.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for coming out and supporting the Jordan Foundation.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, I'm here. Thank you for supporting us. So Jordan volunteer here, Dr. Jackie Smith. She does all the cervical cancer screening in Jamaica. She does that.
That were you. I got Jackie's uncle.
She got to the house.
Jackie's uncle Larry.
Jackie brought the whole crew. Thank you so much. Yes.
This is my wife.
Thank you for coming on. You know what this man is? This is OA9's.
Oh, you did the work on the thing down in Jamaica.
The dental suite. That's what the man created, the dental suite.
Great work, man. Masterpiece.
Thank you. You see, in November, we'll be honoring him in November for the work he did in the grill. No secret, right? Make it a date. So I'm going to give you a Florida. Have a come for that, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Real Jada Star.
Thank you.
Spent 3 weeks in Jamaica renovating the dental suite, a container. This man by himself. Thank you, sir. Thanks for coming out.
From Pennsylvania. We're
From Pennsylvania. Well, thank you guys for coming out, taking the journey. Beautiful weather to see. We have entertainment, food, and all you can drink. Thanks for coming. It's supporting a good cause, and thank you for supporting each other. Okay? No problem. We're gonna make you proud. Right? All right.
Yeah, man.
Man, I'm strong enough. Real man, this is a cricket crew. Cricket crew is
Thanks for coming out, guys.
Eclipse, a man to be cricket club. Well represented here, right?
Love it.
Love the support. Yeah. Big up yourself.
What a go on, what a go on, what a go on, what a go on.
Trash doing that.
And the wife, man, and the wife.
How you been?
Things are good.
Most things good, man.
Dr. Dixon, my girlfriend, Abigail, that's Dr. Dixon.
Respect. Nice to meet you.
Thanks for coming out, guys.
Thank you.
Sir. Hello, Dr. Dixon.
Big
Nice
star.
to
This is the
meet
big
you.
star here.
Hello, hi. He's the man of the hour.
Big star Debbie. Big up yourself, Debbie.
Big up yourself, Devin Lodge.
Thank you.
We're on our way to Jamaica in August.
That's right.
We're going to the grill.
That's right. Well, make sure when you go to the grill, you want to take you outside of the resort. But you want to see the work that Jada's been doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds good.
Dr. JT in the house.
Yeah, that's what I expect.
Jacoby Strong. Jacoby Strong. Great job.
This is Dr. Dixon.
Thanks for coming out.
Big up yourself,
Good
Ray.
man. Don't let him get away.
Wait a minute.
Dumpy. If them is Dumpy, this man is Dumpy Conqueror. Let me tell you. Big up Fitzy, Jersey crew. That's how me. Jersey crew don't left me. Him say me and the real doc.
Love it.
The real doc is power. Just for this. You might refuse. You know why you boy see it. The real, him say, this is the real doc in follow.
Yeah.
Yeah, big respect.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Hey, I'm.
Huh?
How are you?
I didn't know you were coming.
I surprised you.
Yes.
Johanna, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. This is very exciting.
Wow. This is a surprise.
Yes. Isn't that good?
Beth Israel, out of New Jersey, came all the way to
Big up Beth Israel.
Yes.
Lodge.
Yes.
Hello. How are you? Good. Thanks for coming through. Thank you for being here.
All you from Toronto, no brother.
Respect.
You don't know nobody.
Monica, dry out.
Me I tell you, me I go fire you and she. Fire you and she, okay?
Yeah, respect. Brooklyn crew in the house.
That's right.
Thank you. For coming through that.
Yeah, okay.
Ever strong in a general firm and on the left wing, the other foundation of bosses. Just
Respect.
Hello. Impress. This is you. Yoki Donkey. Oh yeah, sir. What's up? How you doing? It's Christine. We go way back.
You're blocking my light.
Can't block the Gucci glasses.
Looking lovely, ladies.
Hello. Thanks for coming.
It's Nikki, Karen's friend.
Big up yourself, Nikki. All the way from Constance Big Road. Oh! Respect. Christian crew in the house. Rockery. Christian of Herb. Come in, General. Mr. White.
Yes, sir.
Come in, Mr. White. Christian is strong, Moravian Road. So we say.
Big respect. Thanks for coming out.
This is the Poochie Yannick and our wonderful husband. King's Sport Jada Foundation, all the way from Rockery. We say Rockery, Pennsylvania. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you guys for coming out, right?
Thank you for supporting Jada.
Yes, it's Dave White.
Who?
Dave White.
Mrs. Hines in the house. Mrs. Hines, Dave White.
Dave White.
I know you don't rise.
Mrs. Hines.
Thank you for lending the bus every January.
This lady's always the first to get her tickets.
That's right.
Late enough. This lady's the first to get the tickets.
Every time, every year.
Boss lady, boss nurse,
And the
always
gala.
there strong.
There you go.
And her friend.
Oh no, I don't know her.
Okay, don't worry, you see it. You see it. If we want to show people are going to be on the board. Don't worry
Well, Sharon is not here yet.
about that.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here. I like the hairstyle.
Really nice, Sharon.
Yeah, man, very fast, Sharon. How are you?
Good, how you doing? Lovely. What you say? What you say?
It's our big sponsor here. PT Just Jerk. Our prime sponsor. Stand firm with the other foundation from day one.
Better?
Yeah, man.
No. The yellow number's good. That's it.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah, thank you. Good to see you.
Good to be seen. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Likewise.
This is Jackie. Jackie's a friend of mine.
Oh, no problem.
Yes,
no problem.
thank you.
Anything for Trish?
That's what I said. Anything for Trish.
Yes, anything for
I was gonna call you find out
Anything
the
for
park.
Trish.
I parked all the way over there.
Yeah, I'm not seeing you last time. I'm not seeing you last time. That was you?
That's me every time. The other foundation. Remember, the other foundation every time. Sharp. Thanks for coming through. Boss man. Thank you for the support. How are you?
Star, real star. Real star, real supporter.
Cool. General, the general. Big man, general support from day one. The man have to bigger themselves.
Why do you keep
General.
supporting Jackie Boss?
The help that they give back home. We have to
Take
support.
an obligation seriously.
Absolutely.
This man no KPS on them place, you know. We're Jamaica. Them know the work we do it.
Yeah,
How long you been supporting us now? How many years?
from day one.
That's right, there you go.
Well, thanks for the support and keep on the great work, alright?
Anytime.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Dr. Dixon, the other foundation. All the videos, we have everything to show you guys the work we're doing, right? And because of the support of the people who come back every year, we're able to buy our first ambulance 2 weeks ago. Less than 2 weeks ago. Go online and check it out. And hopefully, 2 to 3 days, they say, we'll be in Jamaica. And then after this fundraiser and the next one, we can buy another one. Thank you. Respect them.
Been a while, all the time.
Yeah, man. Thank you for coming through.
First time, but
Did it with the Empress?
yeah.
Yeah, alright. Real people, shit a sheeple.
Oh yes, yeah.
Big up yourself, Tally in the house. Right?
What you say you buy for the first time now?
Huh?
What did you say?
Ambulance.
Oh, cool.
What's going on, sir? John Jay started, so the boss man for John Jay, you know.
Big up John Jay.
Big up himself, you know?
Yeah, man, thanks for coming out, yeah?
Yeah, it's good to be here, man. Good to give support, you know.
Yeah, man. Real thing.
Every
Thank you
time.
for coming. I know you.
Thank you, ladies, for coming out.
That's your backboard. Jersey backboard, this, you know. Jersey backboard, Jersey strong.
Yes, we have. Beautiful lady like this one.
Who you call them? Who you call them? Everybody look at him.
Alright, listen more.
You got a ticket?
Come and greet you now, but you got a ticket.
Yeah.
When you go to the front, it's on the sign and tell your name and your ticket, right?
Alright.
Yeah.
Beautiful lady.
Hey,
with a
what's
sexy
up?
tattoo.
What's up?
How are you? Pleasant good evening.
Yes, good evening.
How are you?
Hi, we're happy to be here.
Thank you for being here. Where in Jamaica you guys from?
Kingston, Jamaica.
Where you from?
I live there, but I grew up in Spalding,
All right, respect. Christian himself. Yeah, this people from Spalding's. Clarendon, brother, is really Christian, but we just said Spalding still, but we know what she means.
Beautiful ladies, thanks for coming out.
Beautiful. Diva Theater, yeah, man.
And senior school,
Circle
right?
up, come from. Bigger sex, yeah.
You
call me last year.
Everybody's a star.
Everybody's a star. Go for the green. Go for the green. Come on. Get her in the green, Dr. Dixon. Get her in the green. Come.
Yes. Me and my kids.
Thank you for support, Jaja. Should you think for? Thank you, yeah? Respect. Thank you for coming. Jacoby Strong, bad boy from
Big up Jacoby. Jacoby's in the building.
With the respect. With the rest of the guys. Who is superstar leader now?
2-star leaders. Yes. Ladies, thanks for coming out.
Thank you.
How did you hear about the foundation?
My sister's co-worker, Hopi.
Dr. Dixon Foundation. Thank you for coming. Support us. We'll get you on board in a few seconds.
All right, Dr. Dixon.
Thanks for the support, ladies.
You won't believe it.
All right.
If it's not moving already.
They want to put us all in the picture.
Oh,
Okay.
But this is your crew, the entire crew.
You're going to be a part of that. There you go. Beautiful. Thank you. I love the colors.
Thanks for coming out, Rob.
Yeah, man, big up, man.
Thanks for coming out. Thanks for coming out. I see you representing the Jamaican colors today. Nice.
One more. Stop now, talking.
What's coming?
Good night.
Take a
Good
picture.
evening. Good evening. That's the beer stars.
Good evening. Scared it, no move.
Alright.
First time in life.
The Dillon family. Dillon family's in the building.
Yes.
Alright.
Don't ever shoot them, man. You don't ever see them again. Don't shoot them.
Nice.
You can't see it. Come on the side. Thank you.
Lovely.
Say cheese, baby.
You know, say this is
All right.
Hello there, Laverne. If you're not supposed to be here, Laverne is here. This is management.
We're town, we're city folks.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah. No, I got that way. Brown
Inside joke, everybody. Inside joke. Inside joke.
She's looking at me like, who is this? It's the voice. That's what it was, the voice. Because I'm like,
Come on, let's see him.
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
Respect. Thanks for coming through, man. I appreciate it.
It was so good the last time we had to come again.
It's coming to the night. Thanks for being here. Really support.
Of course. I like
Oh,
the
yeah.
word.
You took it out.
You know how it is.
Dixon.
Dress for the event. They're so
For the best. Only for the best. Only for the best.
This is Jacoby, Jaja volunteer crew.
Jacoby
In
strong,
the house.
baby.
Every time.
These guys are awesome, yo.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Big respect. Big respect.
Good to see you.
Big love, baby. Good seeing you, baby.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Come let's take a picture.
Yeah, man.
This is Rudy Green, our EMS specialist
Rudy,
for
big up yourself.
GEMS program.
Big up.
And his wife, they will both be on board co-running our GEMS program. And look who's here. Turn around.
And everything, you know.
Don't forget that one.
I know. I saw it. I saw the pictures. I got the videos too.
Get that one. Ask her name.
Nice name. Nice, beautiful lady. Come over here. Come over here.
I don't want to interrupt their face.
So come and say hi to the boss. Boss, say hi to this nice, beautiful lady.
What's your name?
Ariella.
Okay. Where you from?
Big up yourself.
Future job volunteer. Future job volunteer.
Jacoby. Come on, let me get that money. I can't wait out to that money. Come on, get that money. Yeah. Wife, Allison. It's a nice
picture?
What's your name? She make him come.
Real
man, it's a real man. But way back when.
Yes.
That's a real man. That's
Thanks for coming on.
That's a coming on.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good.
It's my husband.
But one serious like a judge.
Nice to meet your husband.
It's a serious boss.
My first boat ride.
Thanks for coming on.
It's gonna be great.
Okay, good.
It's gonna boat like no other.
Okay,
You
good.
can't go back on another boat after you cover this boat.
Okay.
Thanks for coming through.
Hello.
Rose Green. Rose Green families and friends. Hi, this is the cruise from downstate.
From downstate.
Big up Brooklyn every time.
That's right.
Big up Brooklyn every time. Foundation. Church Avenue, 45 people come from. So it's
Love it.
this way all started in Brooklyn.
Yes, that's right.
Brooklyn. Thank you.
So big man.
So the big boss man, Mr. Taylor here, big up. Michelle husband, big up himself. Still have all the t-shirt them today. Let me tell you.
Hi, Uncle.
What's up?
Yeah.
You're good.
That's a difference.
Come.
Somebody look like that.
Oh yes.
I did wonder about that.
God's Jamaican crew in the house.
How are you?
Bad nights. All right.
You're welcome.
I'm going on the spot.
You're good, yeah. That's cool. It's cool on here for you, man.
Not good job.
Oh, General.
There you go.
This guy's gonna show us how to do it. You know. Yes. We're gonna have 2 boats next year. That's what it says. Them are exclusive. We're gonna get an invitation for them man.
Soren Blanc, Saffron Mir, the Signature Society, July 30th. July 30th. Green Tree.
Green Tree?
New Rochelle.
Usually it's a secret location, but this one's a Green Tree.
Yes, Green Tree.
Yes.
You've been there many times.
No, I've been to Green Tree. I've been to Green Tree. Yeah,
of course.
So Jackie here.
Hi.
My sister danced already.
Record everything.
Everybody asks you, I'm glad you finally arrived.
Yes, I made it.
Yes, Tracy.
That's how good. How are you?
Thanks for coming out.
Kiss her with a junkie. Hey, that's right.
Yo. Hey, aren't we supposed to have VIP entrance?
Jaja Foundations, Jamaican abroad, helping Jamaicans at home.